Hey everybody, welcome to section 3-2, which deals with estimating products. Estimating means nothing more than rounding so that you can do a simpler problem in your head. Let me do two examples for you here. The first one, I have 527 times 4. What I'm going to do is round to the biggest place value that this problem has. I'm only going to round one of my factors. I'm going to round, obviously, the biggest one. So I want to round 527 since the biggest place value that it has is the hundreds place. I'm going to put my dot over my 5 and look next door. The number I'm looking at is a 2. Since this number that I'm looking at is 4 or less, my dot number, which was 5, stays the same. And every number that comes after it turns into a 0. So 527 rounds to 500. And then what I'm going to do is just keep the times 4 the same. Now, I have a basic fact in front of me. 5 times 4 equals 20. But 500 times 4 doesn't equal 20. So what I need to do is remember yesterday's lesson. When I have two zeros at the end of one of my factors, I can take these two zeros, 1, 2, and tack them on to the end of my product. So 500 times 4 really equals 2,000. In this case, I have 3,863 times 5. The biggest place value they have is the thousands place. I'm going to look next door. It's an 8. Since this number I'm looking at is 5 or bigger, I'm going to bump my dot number up by 1, so 3 becomes a 4. All the numbers after it become zeros. I'm going to keep my times 5 the same. And I have the same basic fact, 4 times 5, which equals 20. But in this case, I have 1, 2, 3 zeros to tack on at the end to get a final product of 20,000. This is pretty simple. The biggest thing to remember is that estimating means to round. And when you have zeros at the end of one of the factors, don't forget to tack them on to the end of your final product. Good job. Thanks for watching.